So I recently made a video in Maya showing you how to delete an edge without leaving vertices behind. And I'm going to show you how to do this in Blender as well, because it's something that you do all the time when modeling, and it's just important to know. So it's a little different in Blender. As you can see, I'm in edge mode here and edit mode. So edge is this button right in the middle of these two, or you can select two on your keyboard. And you can also see my wireframe. So I have that turned on just up here on the top right, this overlays section, and then it's just selected, just so we can see what we're doing. And now I can select using select box, or even this move tool will be fine. And if I alt select on any of these edges, it will grab the whole edge loop. Or you can shift select to grab whatever edges you specifically want. And now I'm going to select X on my keyboard or delete, either or, and it will give me this menu. And initially you think I can just select edges and that will work, but it gives me this very odd result that I don't want. So I'm just going to Control Z, go back, and then X again, and I'm going to go to dissolve edges. Dissolve edges will take away that edge, and it's exactly what I was hoping for. And if I select one on my keyboard, or this little dot version here, that will show me vertices, and I can see that there are no vertices left behind. So this is how you delete an edge, and you can properly delete it without leaving any vertices, and also just cleanly clean up your model. That's it. So I hope you join me on my next video. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you soon.